Hello everyone, this is a short guide on how to upgrade your Teamwork project from LAND4 V4 to V5. First step, open the Teamwork project in the old LAND4 V4 version. So once again, I make sure I'm still running the LAND4 V4 version before opening the project. Now let's start from scratch and open a project from Teamwork. Next step, save the project locally. Press on Save As and save it as a PLN. Press Save. Third step, install LAND4 V5. Next step, open the PLN file in LAND4 V5. In the next step, you must press on Yes, agreeing to migrate your LANDSurface elements. A confirmation message will pop up showing the number of land surfaces that were migrated in your project. In the next step, you need to save, close, and reopen the project. Go to File and press Save. Now you can close the project and reopen it again. In the last step, reshare the project to BIMcloud. Go to Teamwork, Project, and Share. Your project is now safely migrated and back on BIMcloud. Just for a recap, here are all the process steps again. Also note that this is a one-time process that needs to be done when upgrading from your LAND4 V4 version to V5, and that it only refers to projects that are on the BIMcloud server.